Hi dear, how are you doing?
I am doing.
Dear child, you are suffering from severe cough and cold.
Yes, I feel extremely sick.
Don't you worry, dear. There's a natural treatment that has relieved generations from cough and cold.
What is it?
Easy and effective ginger tea. All you need is ginger, water, and sugar. Put the ginger slices in the bowl of water and bring it to boil. Strain the liquid in a cup. Add sugar for taste and sip it slowly. Do this once in the morning and once in the night.
Hello, Grandma.
Hello, dear. You look perfectly healthy.
Of course, the effect of your secret potion. Grandma, when I researched about ginger, I came across its varied medicinal properties.
So don't wait. Try ginger tea for your health.
Thank you, Grandma.